Good morning to one and all. Myself Madhushri from 5th MBCA. My topic is microprocessor organization. Introduction. Let us see what is the definition of microprocessor. A microprocessor is an important part of computer architecture without which you will not be able to perform anything on your computer. It is a programmable device that takes in input, performs some arithmetic and logical operations over it, and produces the desired outputs. In simple words, a microprocessor is a digital device on a chip that can fetch instructions from memory and decode and execute them and, and give results. Microprocessor performs the three basic things while execute the instruction. First instruction is it performs some basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and some logical operations used in arithmetic and logical unit. New processor also performs operations on floating point numbers also. Second instruction is data is microprocessor can move from one location to another. It has an program counter, that is PC register, that stores the address of the next instruction based on the value of the PC. Microprocessor jumps from one location to another and takes decision. This is the simple structure of microprocessor. ALU will go to the instruction array and flag register CPU. All these instructions are in the register array, and CPU is instruction decoding unit, and program counter is PC and IP address. These are the most important defining characters of microprocessor. First thing is clock speed. The clock speed at which the microprocessor execute instruction is called clock speed. Next is instruction set. Number of bits that can be proceeded by an procedure is a single instruction is called its word size. Next, word size. Basic set of machine level instruction that a microprocessor is designed to execute is called instruction set. Next, compared to the first microprocessor, today's microprocessor are very small, but still they will be have three basic parts right from the first model. CPU. CPU is fabricated as a very large scale integrated circuit and has three parts: instruction register, decoder, ALU register, bus. Connection lines used to connect the internal parts of the microprocessor chip is called bus. There are three types of buses in a microprocessor: data bus, address bus, program control bus. Next, memory. Microprocessor has two types of memory: random access memory and read-only memory. Types of microprocessor. There are two types of microprocessor: complex instruction set computer CISC. CISC or complex instruction set computer is a computer architecture where instructions are such that a single instruction can execute multiple low level operations like loading from memory, storing into memory, or an arithmetic operation, etc. It has multiple addressing nodes within a single instruction. CISC makes use of very few registers. For example, Intel 386, Intel 486, Platinum, Platinum Pro, Platinum Second, etc. Next is DIS or Reduced Instruction Set Computer is a computer architecture where instruction is simple and designed to get executed quickly. Instructions get completed in one clock cycle. This is because of optimization of instructions and pinning. This makes use of multiple registers to avoid large instruction with memory. It has few addressing nodes. For example, BIM RS6000, Dell Alpha 21064, DIS Alpha 21164, etc. These are the difference between CISC and DISC. CISC empathizes is on hardware. This is empathizes on software. Since it includes multi-clock complex instruction. This includes single clock reduced instruction. In this, code size is small but complex. In RISC, code size is large but small. High cycle per second. This low cycle per second. Thank you for this opportunity.